Hi everybody, this is Noelle from Petitti Garden Centers, and we're going to talk decorating with houseplants, kind of what we call an up, down, and all around. And we love it that people are embracing bringing houseplants and nature into their homes. There's so many wonderful benefits from increased oxygen production inside your home and office and what have you, but also air purification. So that's a really good thing too. With houseplants, it kind of goes back to using plants in small spaces. So you really, as long as you're using all different levels from your floor to countertops, to windowsills, to up above and hanging, you really can be surrounded by your houseplant. So I'm going to start low. Of course, your floor plants are always a great way to kind of bring that greenery in, but fill up some nice space. You can do a couple of tiers here and there, taller and shorter if you'd like to, for your floor plants. And then of course, bringing it up a little bit higher to maybe like a counter height, like on this console table. So just some smaller plants that'll work really nice on a console, but also kind of moving over to the windowsill, making sure that if you've got some space on your windowsill that you fill them up with houseplants, because it always looks great on the windowsill. And then of course, moving higher up, and this might take a little bit of engineering and rigoring here, but of course, macrame hangers are really in style right now. So using a macrame hanger, hanging it from the ceiling, and then going ahead and putting your houseplant inside the macrame, that's always a really neat thing to do. But I've also seen a lot of people on Pinterest that are hanging plant materials from curtain rods. Just make sure you reinforce your curtain rod before you start hanging, okay? But again, making sure your plant materials all around, up, down, all through the surfaces, that always makes it a real cozy, comfortable area, bringing nature inside, and of course, increasing that oxygen that we all need. Enjoy.